Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. It's Arlette. As you can see, I brought y'all back for an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna have y'all looking right, not like this. We gonna have eyebrows on fleek all 2018 and 2019. Oh, so we're gonna get started by getting our spoolie and brushing our hair into place. As you can tell, my eyebrows already kind of look dark. They were previously tinted and there was no way for me to get it off so I can do this video, so I'm just working with what I got, and it really ain't much that God has blessed me with, but I'm working with it, okay? So I have my e.l.f. brow pencil in the color black, and I'm lining the bottom of my brows into the shape that I would like and doing the same at the top. So I don't fill it in just quite until I like the shape that mine is in. Now I have grabbed my spoolie again to smooth out the front of my brow. I really like that tapered look. I know they make memes about it on Instagram, but I don't care. I think it's popping and it's cute, okay? So brush out that brow. So as you can see, I did the same exact thing to the other side. I lined the bottom, then I lined the top. Now with the second brow, before I fill it in, I double check to make sure the shapes are the same. Obviously I'm liking that shape. They look the same to me. So then I'm gonna go ahead and now fill it in. And once you're done filling in your brow, you're gonna go ahead and grab that spoolie and brush out the front. Now it's time to conceal. So I am using L.A Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And I know most people like to use the big old concealer brushes. I feel like you can clean up your brow a lot easier with the small concealer brush. That's also from e.l.f., this brush that I'm using. So you simply just go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on that brush and just clean up the brow. I got a little too excited right here and messed up my brow, but guess what? Grab that brow pencil, shade it back in, and you're good to go, sis. It ain't nothing but a G thing.
Perfect.
y'all saying nothing about my beauty blender. I already know it's dirty. I'm taking that beauty blender and I'm just smoothing out those lines from the concealer because you want it to be a smooth finish, baby, okay? And then once you've gotten to this step, you're going to go in and do your foundation, concealer, all that stuff, and you are set, honey. Yes! Pow, pow, pow. Who's gonna check you now, sis? Nobody, because your brows poppin'. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay.